Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Top Notch Renovation update number 731.5. We are done with the promenade and the railing, and now we're installing the lighting. Notice there's some gooseneck lighting up. All right, none of it's wired yet. They're all just installed. I have to do all the wiring. And then you see all those wires sticking down there? Those are all going to be for uplighting for the bicycle path. I don't know if you can see the little holes in there, but there are lamps installed in those little holes, and I'm about halfway done installing those, and I do have to install more. Tomorrow will be another day, and I will get them installed and lit up. And I'm going with, there's going to be, I think, 39 along the way my math calculates. Alrighty, I want everybody to have a great night, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.